Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a crazy and at the same time amazing company. It is called EarnPark. This is a cryptocurrency investment platform. You need to know more about it because it can bring you a lot of money. So stay tuned because a lot of important and interesting information is still ahead. So, EarnPark is a cryptocurrency investment platform that provides financial services to investors looking to earn interest through cryptocurrency. The venue is a liquidity provider that maximizes profitability by developing, automating, and algorithmizing proprietary strategies in the CeFi and DeFi markets. EarnPark is registered as an LLP in the UK, a jurisdiction with transparent regulation of the crypto sphere, and it entered the crypto market in 2017. So, as you can see right from its page, it offers 11% APY on ETH, 15% on USDC, and 20% on BTC. The percentage and the interest is super nice. Payouts in the crypto you invested, deposit and withdraw anytime, compounding daily payouts, bank level security, and zero fees. That's all is amazing, but the most important thing for you is, of course, how you can start doing everything. First of all, you need to create your account, and it actually works in one click, super easy. So you can use your Gmail to get started in less than a minute and create your deposit address and add coins. So you can earn compound interest on your cryptocurrency from now on, and your income is automatically paid in your EarnPark account and the next day you receive goods. So your daily payouts increase over time. So about those numbers, if you leave your residue with 15% APY without any additions for 30 years, you will have, for example, $2,000. And if you only add $100 monthly to that deposit, you'll have $600,000. So the company actually recommends replenishing it monthly, and the minimum deposit period is 1 day and the maximum is unlimited. Your EarnPark interest-bearing account works like a bank deposit and allows you to earn only for placing supported assets, and your deposits earn daily interest. Simply depositing your cryptocurrency will deposit income payments into your account every day for 24 hours. And EarnPark makes interest payments in the original currency of your deposit. So if you actually deposit in ETH, your payout will be in ETH as well. There is one more thing that I wanted to mention, that is actually security, because security is an important part of this platform. So EarnPark's top priority is to protect your account. The company follows all industry best practices in IT security verification, data protection, access rights, and data encryption, and funds are managed using tokens distributed to different addresses in the Fireblocks storage infrastructure. Each transaction undergoes a multi-signature process controlled by 3 team members. The connection to the protocols is made through Wallet Connect so that the private keys never leave the multi-signature and are not compromised anywhere. And each strategy has its vault, meaning different private keys for each protocol, and the company emails its users, informing them of the logging process and specifying details such as browser and geo, and their email system can quickly detect intrusion attempts. Each session is linked to a browser and IP address, which protects the account from cookie theft and session hijacking. However, your security is highly dependent on your actions, and therefore, the team strongly recommends using all security tools provided in your profile. Protected infrastructure called crypto storage, withdrawal whitelist, two-factor authentication, security alerts, bug bounty program, vulnerability scans, and customer support. So how it all works, actually, I already walked you through this process, and that is a super easy way to start with. And EarnPark is generating yield for customers through hedge strategies using the liquidity providing instruments, trade algorithms using the market maker strategies on CEX, concentrated liquidity provider on Uniswap v3, and staking, lending, and borrowing. And that's actually the most important things that I wanted to share with you, because this is what makes the difference. This is what makes EarnPark a great option for you, a great platform for you, with the best interest rates that you can find on the market. So pay attention to this. Check all the links below this video because they make a lot of sense and you need to check them out. I wish you a good day and I wish you a lot of money. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.